When you are brand new to SAM.gov, you usually will start scrolling through random contract opportunities until you find something that looks interesting to you. I call this the death scroll because you have no idea what you're actually doing yet. And most of the opportunities you're seeing are not yet at the stage that you can actually bid on, but you don't know that because you are brand new to the system. So instead of wasting a lot of your own time, take a few minutes here today to learn the 4 stages of a bid so that you can sort through opportunities on SAM.gov faster and find bids that you can actually bid on and win. The first stage of a federal government contract solicitation is the sources sought stage. During this stage, a contracting officer is simply conducting market research to see which contractors would be interested in bidding on a project in the future. Contractors are encouraged to respond to sources sought notices by answering specific questions in the form of a white paper, as well as including a copy of their tailored capability statement to the requirement. As a contractor, this is just your first opportunity to throw your hat in the ring to accomplish 2 things. Number 1, letting contracting know your company exists and your company is capable of performing on a requirement of this scope and magnitude. And then number 2, you help to shape the set-aside strategy that contracting will use on the bid going forward. The second stage of a bid is what's known as the pre-solicitation. During this stage, contracting will graduate the sources sought notice on SAM.gov to a pre-solicitation. This pre-sol serves as a form of an FYI to prospective bidders. There are no responses typically required to a pre-solicitation. It is primarily the resulting findings from the earlier sources sought stage. A pre-solicitation may share the set-aside strategy that was determined and if the procurement was decided to be set aside for small businesses. It will also notify prospective bidders of any upcoming site visit information that is required or, for example, industry day information. The pre-solicitation will also let contractors know the approximate release date of the formal solicitation so they can start planning appropriately. Once the procurement is released, it is released as a solicitation on SAM.gov. The solicitation stage is the stage where you put together your proposal, calculate your pricing, and submit your bid packet to stand a chance at winning. Many new federal contractors think that every bid they find is at this stage, and so they unknowingly start to put a proposal together only to realize too late that it was only a sources sought or a pre-sol. So if you plan on bidding on SAM.gov, make sure you are searching by solicitation and combined synopsis solicitation in the notice type filter inside of SAM Contracting Opportunities Advanced Search. The award is the 4th and final stage. The award may be issued in days, weeks, or months. Large contracts may even take years if they are subject to protest. If you are the winning bidder, contracting will be contacting you via email or phone to notify you or to make clarifications about your bid response. If you receive this preliminary communication, it is a very good sign. For everyone else who didn't win, they may be notified after the fact from contracting, or in some cases, not at all, and they will just have to wait for the award to be publicly posted on SAM.gov. You are able to search SAM.gov by each of these 4 stages of a bid to formulate your own bid strategy efforts by using the notice type filter shown in the background of this video. If you enjoyed today's video, click the like button and subscribe for more GovCon trainings. Thanks for watching.